Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time.
The hair I'm using for this installation is from ULAHAIR. This is a pack, and the name on the screen here, it's a 100% human hair, and this is what it looks like on the pack. This here is a pack, and they sent me 3 pack, which is 3 bundles, and it's 100% human hair. I'm going to leave all details to this unit in my description box. Guys, the quality of this hair is good. This hair is soft, and I'll be doing a half up half down style with this unit. Like, this is the first time I'm doing this style on my channel, so you want to sit down, relax, and keep on watching to see the final look of this installation, guys. And please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and kindly hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time there's a new video on my channel.
Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet.
After sewing in the bundles to the back part of the hair, I'm just going to, you know, start with the front part. And I missed some clips of this installation. That is why I'm not showing you guys, or that's why I did not show you guys the places where I slick down her hair and also use a wig cap, a black wig cap, to wrap around her hair before I start, you know, installing the units to the section I use the wig cap on.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly, the wind blows you away from me. Now I see we were never meant to be. If only we could travel back in time.
And this is the final look of this installation, guys. This is gorgeous. Like, she looks so beautiful in this unit, guys. And the coils, the quality, the texture of this hair is giving, guys. Like, this is a good quality hair, no doubt. I'm going to leave all details of this unit in my description box as usual, guys. So please check my description box for more details on this unit. These coils are just, you know, coiling, guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.